One of the things that we wanted to talk with you about today are the features on this mask in comparison to our other award-winning previous generation of face coverings. It has many of the same things like a flexible nose wire, it has adjustable ear loops, and this nice soft knit material. One of the differences between this covering and our previous generation is that it's actually sewn together with the filter media sandwiched between two layers of this. There is no taking mask filters in and out. The filter media inside this is a sub-micron filtration material, similar to what we used in previous generations. It's durable for 25 home launderings. One of the other great things about this mask is that it's compliant with ASTM F-3502-21 standards, which is the new and first of its kind non-medical standard for face coverings. It's all fully integrated and made here in Seattle, Washington. You can find this face covering on outdoorresearch.com for $20.